Guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be seeing and learning how to set up Air Tunnel VPN application. So here at Marus Tech YouTube channel, I recommend my subscribers to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that they don't miss out important events that we post on this YouTube channel, because it is all about tech. So let me open the Google Play Store, this one, and if I open the Google Play Store, I'm going to come where we search from right here. Then I'll be searching Air Tunnel VPN application, this one. So after searching that one, you're going to be having a list. I'm going to be having a list of those ones, but I'm going to choose that one. So I'm going to install that on my device. So I'm going to come and after installing it, and I open, and then I will open my application like that. And then I'll come where we have the letter, but if you have time, I recommend you to join to keep up with the notifications from from the Telegram channel that VPN owner. So I'm going to choose later, and then I'll come where we have the update right down there. So I'll come and I click update. Guys, this VPN application works in all countries and on almost all networks. So they're going to give me a message that no update is available. So I'm going to come right here. Then I'll choose the first server, which is auto select server, and then I'll come here, and then after I'm going to be, they're recommending me some servers, but those living in Uganda, you're free to use those servers, but you guys must first buy land from home bundles. And those living in other network countries, let us all gather here. We're going to choose all networks here. So you're going to come, after choosing all networks, you're going to come and we search UDP. They are giving me a short list of some of the UDP servers. So guys, in Zimbabwe now we have Liquid Telecom is working, it is now back, and those in South Africa, MTN is back. Also we have a video down there. And those are in which country? Pakistan, we have your video down there. Those in India. So all gather here, let us choose this server, all country UDP, and then after I'm going to come where we have this one, the connect, and then I will grant the VPN application and a permission, and then I will see that the VPN application connects successfully. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend, and drop your country down there if it doesn't work. Thank you guys, I sign out.